This is Project Cyclone, an ECD custom Land Rover Defender 110, built to our client's exact specifications. This project is painted in eggshell gunmetal grey with black accents. Project Cyclone sits on 20-inch Kahn Mondial Retro wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This Defender 110 features a G4 style, gutter-mounted roof rack, ARB bull bar front bumper with worn winch, 2 Hella LED lights in the front and 2 in the rear. On the inside, Project Cyclone features a premium Evander wooden steering wheel with Moal Bomber gauges, Corbo Trailcat front seats and 60/40 split mid-row. This Defender 110 also features a custom storage door in the load area. Each seat is wrapped in single vertical diamond, Spinneybeck Amalfi leather stitched together in beige. Cyclone is powered by our LT1 455 horsepower engine with 10-speed automatic transmission. This Defender 110 also features an array of modern elements such as touchscreen stereo, Apple CarPlay and access to USB connection.